Okay, so this tutorial is going to be about how to make a calendar event and then tie it in with an announcement. So in this particular instance, I already have an announcement that I'm going to link to my calendar event. So I'm going to go ahead and use this going to the store. So you can see that I've made this announcement already. I just went up here and said plus announcement, titled it going to the store. And then basically I said, hey, I'm going to Main Street Market on Saturday from 10 to noon if anybody wants to join. And I could post this in Canvas. Now, obviously, I wouldn't use that for real, but this is just an example. Okay, so I've already made the announcement. So I'm going to come over here to the calendar, and this is in the global navigation menu, and I'm going to double click on my calendar. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create a calendar event, and I actually have one here. So I'm just going to move it so I put it on the right day. And I'm going to go ahead and double click on this, and I can edit this. So it would be the same as if I was creating a new one. So I'll just show you how to create a new one real fast. So I'll go over here to Sunday. Just going to double click, entitle it, date it. This is the time from here until here. I can set a location. And this asks me what calendar I want it to appear in. Right now it's set up in my sandbox, so that's where I want to keep it. Okay, but that's how I can do that. I can also create assignments here, at least the promise of an assignment. So it basically just gives you a date. Or this can be something you can get to show up on your to-do list. So you can literally trigger something that'll show up on your homepage in your to-do list, kind of like a reminder, I guess you could say. And then you can also set appointments in your calendar as well. But since I already have one set up, I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. I'm going to go edit. So I've titled it. I set the dates. So this is for Saturday. It's from 10 to noon. Here's the location. It's in my sandbox. And if I click on more options, now it basically brings up the rich text editor. You can see here that this is the title. Okay, if I come down here, you can see here's the date, here's the time. And then what I did is I went over here, and since I've already created the announcements, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just link it. So if I didn't already have that linked, I just need to be clicked in the rich text editor, and I'll just take this out here for just a sec. So you can see, so now I have a blank slate. Come over here, go going to the store. I'm going to come down here, update event. So now that event is updated successfully. It's going to take me back to my calendar. When I go here and click on this event, going to the store, if I click on this link, it's going to take me to that announcement. So essentially, I just created a calendar event and linked an announcement to it. This announcement at this point in time, you can see is delayed. I delayed the posting, which is one of the little check boxes underneath in the details when you do create an announcement. So the purpose of this was just to show you that you can add stuff into your calendar and you can link those with announcements, or you can make announcements and essentially link those things with your calendar as well. So like I said, if I go here, this won't actually look for things in my calendar. Notice that the calendar isn't over here. You know what I mean? So you would have to go the other way. You would have to go calendar and then link the announcement. But in any case, this is a way to basically send an email or send a notification to people about a calendar event, which kind of shows you the possibilities of linking things together in Canvas for various purposes.